Hey crafters, welcome to my Cricut Design Space. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I design, and I'm gonna be designing Paw Patrol. So that's what they want. So I'm gonna click on new project and I'm gonna click on upload. So I have this, and I'm gonna click on upload image. So I have this already in a folder, and I bought this from an Etsy store. It costed me $1.22, I believe so. And the character that the customer wants is Sky. So I'm looking at all of this, and I think I like this Sky one. So I have an SVG file. I always love to use SVG files so I can change colors and all of that. So they have 3 colors in mind, so I'm gonna change colors if I can. So I'm gonna look for Sky one, which is this one here, and there's the SVG file. I just saved everything so I can use it when needed, and I'm gonna drag and drop, and that's the image. I'm gonna click on upload here, and I'm gonna click on the image, and I'm gonna add to canvas, and it's gonna come out big, so I'm gonna just reduce it. So you want to make sure this is locked, and I'm going to drag this down, and boom. So now I am gonna come here, I'm gonna click on upload again. I am thinking of doing something fun. I love to design, I just love it. So I'm gonna go this way so I can see what I want. I'm thinking I'm gonna use this badge, Sky's badge, and do something with it. I don't know yet, but we will see. I'm gonna drag. Oh, I don't want this. I want the SVG file so I can do whatever I want to do with it. So I'm going to click on SVG. So I'm going to look for Sky badge. So I'm going to click on SVG, Sky badge. There we go. And I'm going to click on upload. And I seen something that I want to mess with as well. Let's see. I seen Sky bone. I may grab this and just drop it and see if I can take out the word Sky and put the girl's name. Ooh, that's sounding interesting already. So I'm gonna click on this and this and add to canvas, because that's what we don't have in our canvas right now. And now I'm gonna start designing. So let's see if I can take out the name Sky. That would be great, otherwise I'm gonna be sad. I wish I can. So what I want to do with this, let me see if I can change. No, I cannot change the color. I'm gonna have to leave it the way it is. So we will see what I'm gonna do. Let's see if I can change this color. Her colors are light purple, light pink, and light blue. So let's see if I can change something. Let's go for light blue. All right. One thing with SVG file, you can change things up. That's why I love SVG file. I'm gonna leave that to be the pink that it is. I love the pink. I don't even like the blue that I got on there, but I just gotta match it up. So let's look for something and make it light purple. I don't want the eyes to be light purple. I want something that's gonna come out. Alright, let's see if I can change that to light purple. It's not coming out. Let's look for something else that is gonna, not the mouth. Let me just see real quick. Oh no. No. Go back. I like the color what it is. Eyes. Brown. No. Alrighty. That's the one. Alright, let's change this to light purple. I am not feeling this purple. I'm gonna change, do back to change everything back to the colors that they were. Alright, I like the color this. I may have to change the name, or so if I click on this, it's gonna disappear. So I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna duplicate that one. So let's make this smaller a little bit. I'm going to get a square shape, square. Oh, I did not mean to do that. And I'm going to expand that. I just want to cover it up, and I'm gonna slice that so I can get that shape. So I just highlighted the both. As you can see, the both of them is highlighted, so I'm gonna click on slice. So now I'm going to pull this out. I don't know, I didn't know the word sky is there. That wasn't what I was trying to do. I guess I needed this and not the one with sky. Okay. Oh, I have to delete all of this. Sorry guys. So the one that I need is this here. So I'm gonna duplicate that. There we go. And I am going to what do I want to do? Okay, I'll put the baby's name. Let me go look for the baby's name. Go to my store, and the baby's name is this. So I gotta look for fonts that look like this because I do not have that font. Alright, I'm gonna make it all cap, L-A and oops, and I. You don't want to make no errors with your names, because that's gonna be like definitely a refund, or you have to redo it again and send it to them. Okay, L-E-L-A-N-N-I, because I've had that happen to me. Alright, so I'm gonna go here and look for the one that at least look like it, something bold. Not this one. I don't usually like to use this. So it looks like, nah, I think that will be better. Let me just duplicate and try another one and keep on going. American lemon, something thick. Nope, it's not gonna work. Nope. I think that looks good too. Yeah, I think I'll go for this. So I'm gonna make this bigger, and I'm going to put it here. I'm gonna center this. I highlighted both of them and click on center. Things. What in the world did I do? There we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna cover it up a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to highlight everything, and I'm gonna come here and slice it. I'm gonna go like this. So it is sliced. So now what I need is, let's check on this. I still need this one. Let's see what I'm gonna do. I am going to create, I need it to look like this, so that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna create an offset, I believe so. Let's see if the offset is gonna give me what I want. Let's make this offset to 20. Nah, let me make it, I don't want the offset to be really thick. Let's make it 15. Alright, let's apply. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is See if I can slice that. Slice the offset on that. Let's see what I'm gonna come up with. There we go. There we go, y'all. I just did that. Ooh, 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 ooh. So let me see here. You see, you guys can see we are doing this together. So here I am going to see if I pick this up. That's another option. And cover this up because I want this here. You see this here? It just makes it look cute and natural. So what I may be doing, let me delete this here. I may come here and grab this here, and I want to cut this. I'll slice this. So I may be putting it somewhere here just because I want that. I made this. I'm supposed to actually make this here a white and this here a pink, and the name a pink. What's the name? Not this one. This may not work. What am I doing? I gotta think, because now the name is like this. So we are thinking this together, y'all. I'm trying to achieve this. So this is like a window here. So I may not use this. I may just grab the name, open it up. We trying. Let me put this in here so I can all the way to the back so I can use this one. Work with this. Alright, let me do this way. Do you guys know how I got to this part though? Hope you guys are following, because I kind of threw you guys off. This part that I did, I don't need it because it's not gonna give me the pink name, so I don't need it. So that's the reason why I took it off. But you guys have an idea on things like that. When you have things like that, what to do. Alright, I just center aligned it. So now what I want to do is I want to be able to get this effect. So now I am gonna go ahead and grab this. I'm gonna delete. I don't need this. Sorry guys, I confused you guys. I'm just trying to achieve this exact. So that looks like a butt. So I'm gonna move this. I should have cut it in a way whereby, okay, let's cut this again. Nope. Don't it just look like a butt? After cutting it, it looks like a butt to me. Alright, I'm talking about butt. Alright, I'm gonna duplicate this again. I'm gonna grab a square, a rectangle, whatever. I just want it to cut just this part here. Alright, so I'm gonna highlight this, slice, pull this out. This is what I need. And don't you worry, I'll send it to back. So going forward now, I don't have to redo this for any customer. I'm just gonna reuse this. Move back, move back. Alright, I don't like that line I'm seeing. Okay, let's do it print and cut. Oh Lord, yo, I cannot just get this right. Alright, I don't know how to get this, and if I pick a shape there, oh fudge, what shape can I pick that is gonna give me that effect? This may work. Yep. I'm gonna delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. So I'm gonna take this off so I can so let's just see what I can do with this. Let's grab a square, rectangle, whatever, and I'm going to go like this. I just want something like this, so I'm gonna go like this so as to grab something. I just want to slice it and see if I can get that effect, and I'll be fine with it. It's not curving enough, but I think this will work. I'm gonna get it this way. I wish the curve is there, but it's not giving me the curve that I want though. Let's go back, 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 back. Alright, let me try the angle all the way this way. Let's cut it again, slice it, not cut. I'll take whatever I get right now. Okay, this is way better. So I can just put it here, angle it. It's the best I can get, honey. And I'm gonna duplicate. I just want that bony effects. And I'm gonna duplicate this other one. And we're gonna flip it around. It's not 100%, but works. Don't want it to be too big. Let it just stay in an angle and I'm fine. Okay, y'all seen my struggle. I don't think I'm gonna take that struggle off so y'all can see it. So y'all kind of got an idea on how I design and see my struggles. Alrighty, it's not perfect, it's not curvy enough, but I'm fine with it. So trying to see how I can hide this one here. I get this out, so I am going to go ahead. This is my main piece I'm going to be using going forward, so I'm going to change this to print and cuts. There we go. And I'm going to duplicate it to save it. Going forward, that's what I'm going to be using for customers. And there we go. So now I am going to go ahead and center horizontal. No way. Go back. So this whole piece did not. Okay, I'm gonna flatten this so it's gonna go as one piece. How about this one? So I missed that, those pieces that I worked so hard for. Alright, you better believe you're going to. Oopsie. Alright, I'm gonna just grab this, put this here, and call this good. And I'm gonna flatten this. I'm gonna make sure this is aligned center. Perfect. I'm gonna flatten this together. There we go. I think I should put, let me go back, put an offset to the name, because that thing is too, it's not popping like I like it. There we go. Apply. There we go. Now I am going to flatten everything. Now it did pop. See, we got that. So I am gonna go ahead and set it this way. I'll go like this. I want this to be in the middle. Oopsie. Center. There we go. Looks good. I think I want to, let me go like this. I think I want to add a black offset on this. It just look weird to me. Apply. There we go. That looks way better. Don't you all think it's looking better? I'm so used to offsets in everything I do. I always, all of my designs, I always put an offset because it makes it to pop, to look good. Now it looks better. Can you guys see the difference? I hope y'all can see it because I can. So now I am gonna go ahead and center horizontal this here. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten this, reduce this, bring this bad boy here, or bad girl, put her, bring her to front. That's what I want to do. Arrange. Okay, bring her to front. There we go. As you guys can tell, this video is getting too long, so I decided to do voiceover so we can be done with this video. So the child is turning 4, so I'm just put her name, put her age, and make it light pink, light purple, sorry. And because the color scheme, it is light purple, light blue, and light pink. And I made the shield light pink, but I wasn't feeling that because I'm used to seeing the shield to be darker pink, so I was kind of struggling with that. And I was just thinking, you know what, I'm just gonna go to Canva color palettes to pick up a color, a lighter pink. So that's what I'm doing right now. And you have an option to upload an image, so you can pull out a color if you want, but you can see, you can knock yourself out. They have a lot of colors here, and you can choose what works for you. And all you need to do is to click on copy there, and you go to Cricut and you go to advanced and drop the color number there. It's gonna give you the color, and if you're not feeling it, you can go back again and look for the color that you think you'll prefer. And if that doesn't work as well, you just go to Google and type in the color that you're looking for on Google, a lighter pink, and you can upload that. Or if you have your image, you can do that. That's what I usually do. So I'm just gonna go and upload this video, not video, save that image to my computer and go here and upload. You can see the color, and I picked it up and boom, that's the color. I'm like, I'm not still feeling this. So of course I am gonna change that to the color that I think I prefer, and I'm just gonna change sky to the lighter pink. That's what I will be doing. So just making adjustment, making sure everything is exactly where I want them to be, and yeah, they look good to me. So now I'm just gonna go change sky and grab the color again and change her outfit. There we go, looks better. So now I am just gonna go ahead and make sure, I place everything where they need to be, and the number 4, it doesn't look like it's popping the way I like it. I'm just gonna add an offset because that's what I like to do. I always add an offset on whatever design I'm doing. It just makes it to pop real good. So you guys let me know in the comment section if that's what you always do. An offset just pops it real good, and that's it. So it pops real good, and I make it a 0.02, so it's not really thick. It's not a really thick offset. So now I'm just arranging, making sure everything is arranged well. So as you can see, the name is 7 letter, and I want the A to be in the middle of the shield. So when I highlight everything to place it in the middle, it is shifting it to where it's just reading the ears, the legs, and the tail of the of sky, and also the number 4 that is off of the shield. So I want it to be the letter A to be aligned to the middle of the shield. So that's what I did. I just went by what I think I'll prefer. So yeah, this looks good to me, and I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten this, and yep, this is good to go. I'm excited. So you guys let me know what you think. If you guys like this, if it's something you're gonna be doing, let me know. Save your work so you don't lose it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and send this to printer, but I am going to show you the settings. So click on that, add to bleed, and click on that and print. A dialog box is gonna appear right now. There we go, and make sure you choose the printer that you are working on, and you click on preferences. And when you click on preferences, what we are trying to do here, we are trying to make sure that we change the quality to high, and take it off from normal. So there we go. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and change it to high, and that's it. But one thing is you can change the paper, and I am gonna go ahead and choose, and there we go. That's the one I'm gonna go ahead and choose. And when I choose that, make sure you choose high as well. The important part is make sure you are choosing high. So presentation paper mat and high, or paper presentation mat, whatever, high. And I'm going to click, I just clicked on that tab so we can make sure that you don't click on mirror, or your mirror is not toggled on. If you already mirrored on the other page when you started, make sure you don't mirror this up, because if you do mirror, it's gonna cancel each other. So you don't want to mirror at this point. But if you haven't mirrored it from the start from Cricut Design Space, then you can mirror it here. So when you're done, everything looks good, you want to verify everything looks good, is on high, then you can go ahead and click on okay, and make sure you still have your printer, then you can go ahead and click on print. All right, so this is how the design turned out. This is how it looked like on a shirt. You guys let me know what you think. If you think we really worked hard on this and it came out good, please, this is a time for you to give me thumbs up. Do not forget to share this video, and if you know you're gonna be trying this, let me know in the comment section. If you know you're just gonna be trying, following these steps to create your own design, let me know in the comment section. I love to hear from you guys. And yep, as always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen. Bye bye.